Hi, hey, welcome back to another video episode of Projects Around with Dave and Ray. It's part of the ongoing series of getting my furnace back in. All right, so we had made the video a couple months ago on putting a cold air return in, which we put right here, and went around and went out. We're going to now put that back, but we're going to make it a supply line to the family room. However, we still need a return. So today we're going to put in another return from the family room, and we're going to put one in from our master bedroom to make it work much more efficiently. What are you doing? This is an ugly cut. Come on. Alright, Ray's taping this up. We had to stop filming because that thing popped off and popped me right in the mouth. And my language went to hell in a handbasket real quick.
Just like the last time.
Yeah, just like the last time. Smarty pants. So Ray's taping up the joints now. So we took that cold air return and we turned it back into a supply line. And we've already taken this out. We're going to put a 90 in here. It's going to come through this space and up into panning that we're going to put up here. But this is a little warm right now because the hot water heater was just on. Alright, so all we're trying to do is open this up enough to get some good airflow through there. And you're saying, oh, well, that's 4 3/4-inch holes. Yeah, we're going to cut that out. That's just the corners of the holes. We use the Sawzall now and cut it out. See how this is cut here? This goes up inside and you bend these tabs back to hold it up inside the plate. And we did it right here. Ray, come back here. We did it right here. We use that take off there and then we bend those tabs down. Well, if I put a take off here, it brings it too low. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, in essence, make a take off out of this boot to make it shorter. So I drew a line from the inside. Come on, darn it. Right there in that, what do you call it? is double the thickness. So we're going to make this all the way around. When I get it done, we'll come back. This is takeoff, goes in here, and then you bend the tabs back so they hook up in here. Okay? So what I'm going to do instead is to get this to go up higher. I actually made one out of this. Oops, one more tab to break off here. All right. Yes. All right, where is that plugging made?
It's right behind the footstool.
There, you take that. All right, go like this. Okay, beautiful. Oh, man, that's a tough one. That ain't perfect. Let me tell you that. All right, folks. Ray's going to get that taped up, and then I'll take you over here. All right, let me give you guys a close-up of this here so you can see what we're doing. All right, there you go. All right. Well, I'll seal around this just so it's not sucking there, but I need to cut 6-inch hole right up in here. Put the 90 in there, and then I want to bring it over to here and go up into here. And I'm going to use the top of the light as panning, and try to, instead of trying to get a piece in there, because that thing's screwed tight. I mean, I could bring it down and move it, but I don't think I will. We'll just leave it like that. All right, and we'll cut the hole in here. That's probably what we'll do right there. All right, I'll show you here in a second. We'll go and cut this hole here now. Over in here. All right, just like we did over on the other side.